GZ Engineering and Automation is a professional industrial electrical services provider based in Multan Industrial Estate, Pakistan. We offer customized electrical solutions, automation systems, and maintenance services tailored to the needs of modern industrial environments. Our team consists of experienced and certified professionals who ensure safety, quality, and efficiency in every project we undertake. At GZ Engineering and Automation, our vision is to emerge as a trusted, reliable, and innovative solution provider in Pakistan's industrial, electrical, and automation sector. We aim to deliver advanced electrical and smart automation systems that enhance industrial performance, safety, and energy efficiency. With every project, we strive to set new standards of technical excellence and customer satisfaction. We believe that true progress is not driven by technology alone, but by precision and sustainability. That is why we continuously invest in new solutions, consistently train our team, and strive to deliver exceptional service every time. Our goal is to support the growth of Pakistan's industries through modern, intelligent, and cost-effective electrical solutions. Our mission is to provide industries with reliable, safe, and customized electrical and automation solutions tailored to their operational needs. We ensure quality, safety, and performance in every project, earning our clients' trust and enabling their systems to run smoothly without interruption. We aim to bring the benefits of modern technology to every client, from small factories to large industrial setups. To achieve this, we continuously train our team, adopt the latest tools, and design every solution with future expansion in mind. Our goal is to play a vital role in the industrial growth of Pakistan. We offer a full range of electrical installation and maintenance services tailored to the needs of industrial clients, including installation of HT/LT panels, cable laying and termination transformer and generator setup, earthing and lightning protection systems, power factor, correction solutions, load analysis, and power quality audits, preventive and emergency electrical maintenance. We develop smart and customized automation systems that help industries automate processes and improve overall efficiency. Our services include PLC programming and installation, HMI/SCADA system design, sensor integration, and process automation, fabrication of motor control centers, MICCS, industrial equipment, wiring, remote monitoring, and data logging. Every motor operates on the foundation of performance and durability, and we work to preserve that reliability. From small motors to heavy-duty industrial units, we carry out winding and rewinding with high precision. Our services include single-phase and three-phase motor winding, rewinding of AC and DC motors, insulation testing, and thermal protection, load testing, and fault diagnosis. Customized winding based on required voltage and RPM. Every industry has unique energy requirements. That's why we design custom inverters tailored to your load and processes, ensuring both smart control and energy efficiency. Our services include load-based inverter design and configuration, energy-efficient inverter assembly, smart control integration with PLCs or sensors, overload, voltage fluctuation, and safety testing, panel-ready integration for direct deployment. We provide ongoing maintenance and technical support on a monthly basis for operational factories, ensuring their systems run smoothly without interruptions. Our services include monthly site visits and inspections, system health checks and fault identification, load balancing, and energy optimization, emergency fault response, spare parts replacement, and maintenance reporting. 2013. Our beginnings. In the environment of Multan Industrial Estate, we began offering part-time electrical services on a limited scale, while simultaneously gaining professional experience within the industry. 2015. Field exposure and growth. We gained direct hands-on experience in factory environments, gradually expanding our work to include HT and LT panel installation, transformer setups, and cable laying. 2017. Diving into automation. Through job and field exposure, we learned to work with modern automation tools such as PLC, HMI, and sensors, and began implementing these systems for selected clients. 2019. Skill set and team building. As demand for our services grew, we transitioned towards full-time operations. The formation of a dedicated technical team began, and the development of solutions such as custom motors control panels and remote monitoring continued to expand. In 2021, regular industrial support. We initiated structured monthly maintenance and emergency support services for ongoing industries, ensuring their systems remain operational and responsive to any issues. In 2023, establishment of our workshop. We established our own workshop where tasks such as motor rewinding, panel and inverter assembly are carried out based on demand and industry needs. And now, 2025. All our services were unified under a proper identity, GZ Engineering and Automation, through which we now offer modern, reliable, and customized industrial solutions across Pakistan. Areas we serve. GZ Engineering and Automation provides specialized electrical and automation solutions across various industrial sectors. Our company has been delivering reliable and high-quality electrical services in the local market for several years. We maintain a strong standard of excellence and precision in every project we undertake. Unlike many companies that disconnect after completing a project, GZ Engineering stands apart by building long-term partnerships with every client. We ensure continuous support through monthly visits, emergency response, and regular maintenance services. At GZ Engineering and Automation, we strive to understand each client's unique needs and deliver the most effective solutions accordingly. We look forward to becoming a reliable and valuable partner in supporting your industrial systems.